Ever found yourself staring at a currency exchange screen, wondering if you're getting ripped off? Or maybe you've tried to pay for something overseas and ended up with a surprise fee that made your jaw drop? We've all been there. It's a frustrating dance with fluctuating exchange rates and hidden charges, especially when you're juggling multiple currencies for travel, online shopping, or sending money abroad. Now, two names keep popping up in this space, YouTrip and Wise, both promising to simplify this messy world of international finance. But are they really that different? Or are they just two sides of the same coin? Let's dive in and unpack the real differences between YouTrip and Wise. At their core, both YouTrip and Wise offer multi-currency accounts and debit cards designed to make international transactions smoother. Think of them as digital wallets that let you hold and spend various currencies, often at rates closer to the mid-market exchange rate, the one you see on Google. That's a big win compared to traditional banks, which usually add hefty markups. However, the devil is in the details, and the differences start to emerge when you look closer. YouTrip, primarily focused on travelers, excels in offering a seamless travel experience. You get a physical prepaid MasterCard that lets you spend in over 150 currencies, often with no foreign transaction fees. The platform emphasizes convenience for on-the-go spending, making it a handy companion for your international adventures. You can also top up your account with local currency and exchange it to your desired currencies within the app. Wise, on the other hand, is built for a broader audience, including freelancers, businesses, and anyone who needs to send or receive money internationally. Their platform offers a more robust multi-currency account, allowing you to hold and manage over 50 currencies. Crucially, Wise provides local bank details for several major currencies, like USD, Euro, and GBP, enabling you to receive money like a local, avoiding those pesky international transfer fees. This feature is a game changer for those receiving payments from overseas clients or marketplaces. Another key difference lies in their fee structures. While both aim for transparency, Wise generally charges a small, upfront fee for currency conversions and international transfers, clearly stated before you transact. YouTrip, in contrast, often boasts zero foreign transaction fees, but it's important to be aware of potential top-up fees or ATM withdrawal charges, depending on your location and usage. Consider also their customer support and app features. YouTrip's interface is often praised for its simplicity and user-friendliness, ideal for those who prioritize ease of use. Wise, while also offering a clean interface, provides more advanced features for managing finances, including batch payments for businesses and detailed transaction histories. Think about your primary use case. If you're a frequent traveler seeking a convenient way to spend abroad, YouTrip's focus on travel-friendly features might be your best bet. But if you need to receive international payments, manage multiple currencies for business, or send larger sums of money, Wise's more comprehensive features and local bank details make it a strong contender. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your individual needs. Both YouTrip and Wise are disrupting the traditional banking landscape, offering more transparent and cost-effective solutions for international finance. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and choose the platform that aligns with your specific requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.